Good day, guys. How's you doing? My name is James Hunt. Today we're out here in the middle of the corn and rice fields in this region, doing some pest control again. Our target today is birds. All right, first target, show up. It's a big one. Big heron, 121 yards. Boom. Nice and easy. Got that one. Little bit wind drift to the left, but still, the job is done. Dove sitting tight over there, guys. 112 yards. Yep, straight on. Another one is going down. For today's hunt, I'm running my FX King with a 700mm barrel, pushing 20 grain slugs at around 1,020 feet per second. It's paired with a Hick Micro Alpex 4KL for precision, plus a Donnie FL muzzle brake, Eagle Vision magazine, and an MDT vertical grip. A solid setup for this session. I think I see something over there. Something like a dove. It's a dove, guys. 90 yards. Check the bubble level. Yep, it's straight. No problem at all. 90 yards straight on it. Another heron to show up, guys. 135 yards. Nice and clean. 135 yards is done. What a coincidence. Ran into some friends on patrol. Yeah, we're hunting near the local police department. They checked out the gear, asked a few questions, and totally understood what we're doing here. They knew the importance of pest control in this area. It's always great running into people like this out in the field. After a short chat, we got ready to continue the job. Let's get back to business. $131 yards. Smoked. 131 yards, it's done. $128 yards. Yep, another one is going down. Spotted a dove, guys. and he'd go down like a mango. The reason I'm using the Eagle Vision magazine is because the standard one can't really handle the weight of a 20-grain slug. I think the spring tension is a bit too low, and of course, that affects accuracy. Okay guys, ground target is confirmed over there. 93 yards. Yep, tango down. "92 yards. No chunks. Got that one.
Okay.
"82 yards. Solid hit. Down he goes. Wow, moving target. 83 yards. Yeah, we got him. "96 yards. Impact straight on. There's another one, guys. Easy busy. A lot of this bird around here. Again and again, another one is down. All right, guys, let's pick up the bodies. After a long day hunting in this hot day situation, we're going to take a quick swim to cool off. Just look at my friends. They're having a great time out here. By the way, this lake is actually quite deep. I mean, they don't even know if there's an alligator in that lake. Ha ha ha. What a great day out here. An amazing hunt, great moments with friends, and a lot of enjoyment. All right, guys, it's time to go home. Hope you guys enjoyed it as much as we did. Thank you.